I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. I'm going to start by popping on the trimmer attachment and making a ball guideline on the sides and back of the head. Next, I'm going to pop on the clipper attachment, and then we're going to cut down the hair on top with the 1.5 guard. And we're going to be going with the grain. That means the direction that the hair naturally grows. This is especially important when cutting wavers. You want to make sure that you're cutting the curls in the direction that they naturally grow. If you don't, you'll end up patching the hair and leaving a bald spot. Once we have everything smoothed down, we're going to take the guard off and open the lever to make a 1-inch guideline. Next, we're going to fully close the lever and begin blending at the bottom, gradually opening the lever about 1/4 of the way as we continue to go up. Next, we're going to debulk the sides with the 1.5 guard. Take the 1 guard, and there's 3 steps with this guard: lever open, lever closed, and then lever halfway. So we're going to start with the lever open, fully close the lever and blend at the bottom, and then you're going to blend in between with the lever halfway open. Next, take the half guard with the lever slightly open, and then blend right up under that 1 guard closed. Then fully close the lever and blend right up under that. Next, remove the guard and then remove any dark spots that you see, only using the corner of the blade. And then next, we're going to repeat the exact same steps that we just did on the back of the neck. Nothing changes. The only difference is that you have more room to blend. And the only way that you're going to learn how to do this, you get someone that will let you cut their hair, pull up this video and go step by step. You can watch 1,000 tutorials, but until you actually put this to use, you won't get better at cutting hair. Barbering is a profession of repetition. You get better the more and more you do something. But as you can see, by following those same steps, the blend is coming together. That's really what fading is all about. It's doing the same things on all sides of the head. Whatever you do to one side, do it to all sides. Next, we're going to pop on the trimmer attachment again and begin to line up. You want to keep everything as natural as possible. And as you can see with this front line up, the goal is to take off the least amount of hair and still get the edge up as sharp as possible. Next, we're going to line up the beard with the razor. As you'll see, I'm pulling the skin in the opposite direction that I'm going with the razor. I'm going down with the razor, so I'm pulling up on the skin. This combined with the shave gel will allow the blade to glide smoothly and reduce irritation. If you got value out of this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment what other types of videos you guys want to see. They don't have to be tutorials, but just any barbering content in general. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.